In this video, I want to share with you some breast cancer awareness prompts for Ideogram. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on Merch by Amazon and other print-on-demand platforms. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now, before I share with you those breast cancer awareness prompts, just want to do a quick sales update for Merch by Amazon. So it is currently Wednesday, July 24th, 4:49 p.m. and sitting at 35 sales, 4 returns, $44 in royalties. That is going to put me at 1,340 sales for the month and just under $2,000 in royalties. Now, if you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both Merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just like my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in beautiful Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 19 years. Okay, so now that we got the intro out of the way, let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So a big niche that we have coming up is breast cancer awareness. This niche does really well every year. Obviously, in October is when it is celebrated. And if we go to Google Trends right here, we're going to see that the keyword breast cancer t-shirt, there's these big search spikes right around September, October. So you can see right here, October 6th. Right here, we have October 4th. And every year it's like this, and again, or this year, it's going to be the same thing. And as Merch by Amazon sellers, we want to take advantage of this search traffic right here. And one of the ways that we can do that is by making really high quality breast cancer awareness designs for Merch by Amazon. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and share with you some breast cancer awareness prompts that you can use, that you can actually scale. You can even change out some of the words if you want to make your own designs, or just use as are. Now, if you want, you can just get 3 free breast cancer awareness prompts just by clicking on the link in the description or in the pinned comment. These are completely free. All you have to do is just click right here and click the number 0, or type in the number 0, and then click on I want this. Now, if you want, you can leave a donation, but that is not necessary at all. You can get it totally for free. I won't send you any emails or anything like that. But if you like these 3 free breast cancer awareness prompts, you can click on the second link and get an additional 27 or 30 total breast cancer awareness prompts for only $4.99. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what some of those free prompts look like, and I'll share with you what the other remaining 27 look like, so if you can see if you're interested. So if we go to Ideogram and we take a look at the first one, this one right here is Crush Breast Cancer. So it's kind of like a play on words, and we're cross-niching monster truck with breast cancer. I think this actually turned out really nice with these big wheels right here. One thing that I would probably do, or wish I would have done, was to make the text in white. I think that probably would have made it pop a little bit more. One thing that you can do is you can just pop it into like Photoshop or Canva or whatever type of, let me just get my head out the way here, and you can change the text. If you're new to Photoshop, like I was when I first started on Merch by Amazon, I used to watch a lot of tutorials. That's how I kind of learned. So let me just go ahead and share with you how you do it. So you just come in here and just click on G for the paintbrush, or just click on the paintbrush right there. Click on the design, and then right here all you have to do is just basically click on the letter to get the color that you want. But I think it just looks a little nicer. Just the text pops a little bit more when you have it as white. Good, nice contrast with the black and the pink. And then if you want to get rid of the background, all you have to do is hit E, or the eraser. Just click on it. And then what I would recommend is that you make it nice and big, scale it all the way to the top. And there you go. You got a nice breast cancer awareness design. Click on it like that. Oh, you would have to get rid of all these little black spots as well. But I think this looks really good right here. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think. But that is the first breast cancer awareness prompt that I have for you. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the next one. So I'm just going to go back here, and it is Save the Boobies. So this is kind of a play on words. So instead of save the boobies, it's save the bees right here. I think this actually turned out nice as well. What I would do for this one is I would also probably pop it into Photoshop, just because I think it would look a little bit better if you can get a more of like a hot pinkish kind of pink. Now you can also do this in the prompt as well. But let's just go ahead and I'm going to get my face out the way. So one of the ways that you can get a nice color that you like, just come over here and just click on that. There you go. Maybe actually get one that's maybe a little bit hotter, I guess you would say. So there we go. Let's get rid of that design, and let's go ahead and pop in the one that we just downloaded. So save the boobies, and we're just going to do the same thing. Hit G, click on it. Bam, bam. I think it just looks a little better. What do you guys think? I think the original one, the pink, was just a little too soft. And you can kind of play around with this. But I think you guys get the idea. Again, you can do this in the prompt as well. What do you think? Maybe like that too. So yeah, so you can play around with it. I think you guys get the idea. I think this is actually looking pretty good. It's kind of fun to do as well. Okay, there we go. Did I miss a spot? I think I got it all. Right there. Yeah, so that looks good. Oh no, the antennas. Can't forget the antennas. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay, so that looks really good right there. And again, we just want to scale it, or basically make it nice and big. That way it will catch people's eyes. Okay, so there's another design right there. Save the boobies. That's a good one. And then the third freebie is this one right here, which is the unicorn. And here's actually, I should show you what the prompts look like. So right here, this is what the prompt looks like. Now these are all magic prompts. So the magic prompts are kind of more like descriptive, very detailed, you know, like a captivating and emotive cartoon illustration. You know, it's just a lot of text. It really helps to get a good design. So this is what the unicorn one looks like. Here's some of the other ones. But I think this was the best one right here. I like the color pink. I like how it's kind of sparkling like this. Again, here's the prompt. So that is the third one. And if you want these prompts for free, again, all you have to do is just click on that link in the description. You'll get these. It's a Word file and a PDF. But now let's go ahead and take a look at the remaining 27 to see if you're interested in picking up the whole 30 prompt package. So let's go ahead and see what we got here. I'm just going to start from the top. It's just a little easier to scroll down than to scroll up. Okay, so bam, so here we go. So tough guys wear pink. I think this turned out pretty good right here. Now one thing that I will mention that not too many people know about, that I didn't know about also, is that, you know, men can get breast cancer. So that's kind of like a sub niche that probably nobody is getting into. So, you know, obviously you want to make, you know, or I would recommend that you make breast cancer shirts obviously for women, but also maybe think about how you can do it for men as well, because there are men that get breast cancer. I didn't know about it. You can Google it. But right here, tough guys wear pink. So maybe you do something like that. Next one, treasure the chest. So this is like a play on words. I'm always saying on my channel, you know, these play on word designs do really well. So treasure the chest. Pirates, they have the treasure chest, and the chest is also like the boobies. So that's why that makes sense. This is just a simple Bigfoot design with the pink breast cancer awareness ribbon. You know, you can take almost any niche and just cross niche it with Bigfoot, and it will sell on Merch by Amazon. This one doesn't even have any text. You can add text if you like. Here's another funny one, play on words, so save the udders. So udders are what cows have when you milk them. And right here, save the udders. So it's like the breast of the cow, basically. It's a funny one. Strike out cancer. So here we're cross-niching bowling with cancer. Hope anchors the soul. So we're using the clip art or the image of an anchor. Right here, hope anchors the soul. This is a cute one. Actually, this is actually a really nice one. So we got the cute baby elephant with the butterflies. I think that turned out really nice. Breast cancer awareness. Now it looks like all the text is correct. That's a really good one. Cheer for a cure. So here we're cross-niching cheerleading with breast cancer awareness. Here's just a nice kind of angel fighter one. Pretty simple. This is a funny one with the flamingo wearing the sunglasses. This was probably my favorite. That's why I put it as on the thumbnail right here. Here we're cross-niching racing. So racing for the cure. Here's an interesting one, which is kind of like one with the witch. So here we're cross-niching kind of like Halloween. So in October, even witches wear pink. I think this turned out pretty good. Kind of a different style, not really like the cartoonish style that I usually do. Here in October, we wear pink. So this is cross-niching football with breast cancer. I'm a survivor. Actually, this looks really good with the cheetah. They did a good job. Again, this is a Halloween one crossed with breast cancer. Support squad, so cross-niching penguin with breast cancer. Bowling for a cure, so cross-niching basketball with breast cancer. Actually, I also really like this one too. This is probably my second favorite. I might have used that as the, well, not that one, but this one turned out really nice. Give breast cancer, or give cancer the boot. Breast cancer messed with the wrong chick. No one fights alone with the three gnomes. Here we got a hummingbird, blessed to be called breast cancer survivor. This girl got to ring the bell. So when you survive, or I believe once you survive like chemotherapy or breast cancer, you get to ring a bell. That's when you get to leave the hospital. Something along those lines. God answers prayers. I'm 25 years breast cancer free. Now this is a really good niche that I've talked a lot about. I made videos about this actually last year. but a lot of people like to celebrate, or I'm sorry, people who are breast cancer survivors really like to celebrate how many years they have breast cancer free. So you could take a design like this and scale it from I'm 1 year breast cancer free all the way to I'm 25 years breast cancer free. Not too many people are making those type of designs. That's kind of like a sub niche, focusing on the number of years that someone has been a breast cancer survivor. But again, I would probably make the text white and make the pink a little bit more pinkish, like this color right here. My auntie is a warrior, breast cancer awareness. This could be scaled. My mom is a warrior. My grandma is a warrior. My sister is a warrior. My daughter is a warrior. I wear pink for my Grammy. Again, this could be scaled. And kind of like the Bigfoot one, just take any niche, you cross niche it with T-Rex, it's usually going to sell. But like I've been mentioning, I would probably change this color of the text from I wear pink, from pink to white. Same thing here, I wear pink for breast cancer awareness. Again, I would change the color of the text to white just to make it pop more. This one I already showed you. This is what a survivor looks like. I think it would look a little better if the pink was kind of like a hot pink. And then right here we got the two ones that I showed you. So if you're interested in those, you can get them for only $4.99. The link will be in the description and as a pinned comment. But that is basically going to be the video for today. If you want to get like daily prompts, basically if you want to become a member, all you have to do is just click on the join button on this video right here. You can watch the video, it will kind of give you some more information, but basically what you get if you become like a silver member or a gold member, the silver is going to get you 4 videos a week. 4 videos a month or 1 video a week. Each video comes out on Monday at 6 a.m. Central, and those videos are basically focused on low competition evergreen niches, and each one of those niches is going to come with a prompt for Ideogram. And then you're also going to get a daily market update where I'm going to be giving you a trendy niche that comes with a prompt. You also get access to my creative fabric store, so you can just get a design right from me, and also give you keywords. So the silver is just going to give you a lot of evergreen niches and trendy niches. And then if you want to go with the gold, you're going to get everything in the silver, but you're also going to get a Word file at the beginning of each month of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending 2 months in advance. I'm actually doing it 2 months now because some people have been mentioning that to me so they can have more time. So let's see, it is July 24th. So if you become a gold member today, on August 1st, you would get a Word file of 100 prompts for niches that will be trending in October. I've actually been working on it. I'm almost done. I'm up to like 60. People seem to really like these 100 prompts I've been making. So you'll get that as a gold member. But yeah, so if you're interested, check it out. I also have, like if you go to my name right here, I got some freebies too. So like right here you can see some of my courses. I have a beginner's course for Merch by Amazon. It's only $19.99. This is good for beginners or for people that are struggling to get sales. I'm not the best Merch by Amazon seller, but you can see I do pretty good. 10,000, tier 10,000, and I do anywhere between like $2,000 to $3,000 a month. Probably going to end up doing around $2,500 this month, somewhere around there. But if we go back here, we're going to see I got some freebies. So I have more free prompts. So if you like the prompts, check out this page. You get some free ones. Let me show you some ones that will probably are good for the time of year that it is. So right here, 5 free back to school prompts, and then if you want, you can get 75 back to school prompts for only $7.50. This is probably one of my best sellers right here. But gardening prompts, trending prompts for August. So just come in here, check it out if you're interested. That's going to be the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Adios.